Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the web development series. In the previous videos, we learned how to create a basic Express server, right? And we install the Express, create our first server, and also handle a simple route. But in the real application, our server does many different things. For example, getting the user from the database, create a new user, update user details, delete a user, and means a CRUD operation. So the big question is, how does the server know which code should run for which request? And that is exactly what we are going to learn today. Today we will learn Express routing, and we will understand what routing is the and why routing is important, get route, post, put, delete, and how to create a multi-route API. Don't worry if you are new to this topic. I will explain everything in a very simple way. So let's start. So first, let's understand a simple idea. Whenever a user open a website, the browser send a request to the server, like you login. The browser send that credentials to the server. For example, user visit that user's route or product route or anything, our login. Each URL means the user wants something different. So the server needs a way to decide which code should run for which URL. The decision is called routing. So in simple words, if I say routing means deciding what should happen when someone visits a specific URL. Example, if user visit the users slash users, server should return all the users. If user visit the slash products, server should return all the products details. So we define these rules using the express route. Now basic route syntax is like syntax looks like app.method, the path means slash the path name, or the handler, the function. So here app, this is our express application, right? In the last video I also tell you how to make this is app, means we are importing this from require express and we are creating a this. And method is, this is the HTTP method, like get, post, put, delete, and path is the, this is the URL, the like home page, users, login, register, like this. And handler, this is the a function that runs when someone visit that route, like if someone visit to the login, the here we write the we this function is a login function, which means we check all the calculation whether the credentials are true or not, what should we send in the response. So these are the things. So let's move to the VS Code and make the actual code here. So let's define here the mkdir, and let's define the express routing and express routing. So here we have to first install our means initialize a project npm init-y, and inside this install the express, right? And just make a node module folder. Also here first make a file called server.js, and here we first we have to import express equal to new, new require express, right? A simple way. Now initialize a const app equal to express and start the server app.listen. Port number is 3000 and a callback request response. Oh, sorry, it does not take respect. Just say console.log server running on port 3000. Now let's run the file node server.js. I get server running on the port 3000. So first route will be we will create is the get route, and all the routes are come before the app.listen. So get route is used when we want to fetch data from the server, from the database. like get the all user data, get all the product, get all the blog post, or the any things. So now let's write app dot get users, and inside this a function, it's take to object request and response, and here we have to send response dot send list of users. You can send any object also here, JSON format, stringify means JSON we send basically, and you can send any kind of data here. Now how to check it, and so here app.get means, this means we are creating a get route. Here app.get means we are creating a get route, right? And here slash user is the path, means this is the URL. If someone visit the localhost, here localhost users, means this is the path of this URL, and this function will run. And inside this function we send this function will run when we call this users, and inside this function we are sending response a list of users. So how to test it? So first we have to again run this server, and here so I get list of users. So you just created your first get API route. This is the basic way to creating a single route, means a first route app.get. Now next is the post route, app.post, and here also you have to declare the path, means a URL. Again I am saying users request response, a function response dot send user created. And how to test the post? For the post request you have to test on the postman. So first make a add request in the new collection, and here I'm just copy the paste, and you can select get, post, put, patch, delete, head option, mean anything. And I'm testing the post API. First I have to restart the server, then click the send button. What happened? It's 200. Okay, user created successfully, right? Means our this post request is the working fine. And here we can all in the browser we can also already, means we can only test the get API, means get a request, not the post or put or delete. And same apply for the delete and the put. If someone send, means if you see the path here is the user, path here is the user, then why it does not means conflict? Because we are change the here the method. This is a get method, this is a post method. If I want to write here app dot put, again users, and same request response, and a callback response dot send. And here if put is used for the updating the data, and here just write the user updated. So again control C, again start the server, and now I am select the put and send it. I get the user updated. That's why it's not make any conflict, because the method is different. Get, post, put, and put is used for the updating the existing data, update user profile, product price, order details, anything. If a put request come to the slash user, the server will update the user. Now same apply for the delete. Just right here delete, and delete the users, and here write the delete. And if someone send a request to a delete request to the user, the server will delete the user. Like I restart the server and select here delete, press the send button, I get user delete. So this is how means this is a how we see the means how to write the methods of the routing methods in this. get, post, put, delete. This is a basic one. Means when as the time pass, as the videos come, you will see how these things are changed gradually. Means time to time. So this is a basic API, simple API with the multiple routes, if I say. And our server support multiple API routes. This is the foundation of the building REST APIs. Yes, this is the REST APIs. So you will get this PPT, post route, put route, delete, and this complete code also, multiple route API example. Also you will get the source code link in the description, in the video description. So today we learn routing means deciding how the server respond to the different URL, and express routing syntax, that is the app.method. Here method replace the get, post, put, delete, anything. And we learn the 4 main routes: get for the fetching the data, post for the creating the data, put for the updating the data, and delete for the removing the data. So these routes are used in almost every backend API. Now in the next video we will learn something very important, that is the middleware. And middleware is one of the most powerful feature of the Express. Yes, so make sure you watch the next video. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to JDCodebase. I'll see you in the next video.